What should students include in their portfolio to get better opportunities or a better job? Like, is there a category of personal projects that can help students increase their chances of getting more opportunities?
I think most companies look for character and side projects. I think most recruiters are curious about what drives this person. I feel the side projects or hobbies, if I may, are the ones that define the personality of a candidate. And it could be anything, a side project, a hobby, something you do for yourself, or maybe the community. All of these count. Like I remember how one of my friends actually built an Arduino system to feed their guinea pig in their absence and actually pushed it as a side project. And I remember another friend of mine ran a personality development session for underprivileged groups from the Northeast. So there are a lot of interesting things you can potentially do as problem solvers, if not designers. And designers are, at the end of the day, problem solvers. So there's a lot of things you can actually do and talk about it. So yeah, that's my take on side projects.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.